Leave the balloon nozzle longer. Twist 2-finger wide round bubbles. Wrap around the nozzle. Twist another 2-finger wide round bubble. Make it to a barrier knot. Twist 3 4-finger wide bubbles. Twist a 3-finger wide bubble. Pass it through 2 single bubbles. Twist another 3-finger wide bubble. Start making rotors. Twist a 4-finger wide bubble. Make 3 sets of 2-finger wide ring bubbles. Draw small windows and decorations. The helicopter is ready.